Preston is here from D.A. Davidson to talk about this week's stock market news. But first off, we're going to talk about the market sold off for the third day in a row yesterday. Tell us about it.
Yeah. So the Dow was down 54, NASDAQ was down 20, and the S&P was down 5. So we have been seeing some selling pressure, but I think it's important to keep in mind that we're just under 28,000 on the Dow, almost 20% for the year. So unless we have another December like we had in last year and we wipe out the entire year's gains and then go negative, I think we'll finish the year okay. The numbers indicate that we're okay, so unless we get something out of left field, I think we'll finish 2019 pretty strong.
All right, but what is it that's causing the weakness?
Well, same theme has been going on for most of the year, China. Their leader basically made positive comments, said he thought we'd get to a deal, invited the negotiators to dinner in Beijing, and so he said he's confused about some of the requests, but he's optimistic. But then the House and Senate passed the resolution regarding human rights in Hong Kong, and they feel like that's interfering with domestic affairs, and so that's creating tension. And so the question is, are we going to get a deal? When are we going to get the deal? I've been saying for a long time, we're going to get a deal. They need us more than we need them. Will it happen in 2019? Probably not, but certainly early 2020. I think we'll see real close. We'll get there sometime soon.
All right, and let's finish off by talking about the economic indicators. How have those been coming in?
Well, a little bit mixed. In fact, the Commerce Board's leading economic indicator measures have been down for the third month in a row. That points to a slowing economy, but the jobless numbers are about unchanged at 227,000. So the job market is still strong. You can't have a recession without job losses, so we aren't seeing that. Home sales are actually up. They expected them to come in at 1.4% increase, came in at 1.9. Home sales drive a large part of the economy, so mixed, but still, I would say leaning towards positive. So again, should finish the year reasonably strong.
All right, and I lied. I do have one more question for you. This one wasn't planned. What do you think the final score will be? Because Mr. Grizz over here.
If they both show up, it should be a defensive battle. But I think the Grizz win by 7. I'm going to say 28-21.
All right, we'll wait to see that final score.
All right,
then.
go Grizz.
Yeah, we'll be right back after the break.